Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you the computer basics, understanding operating system. An operating system, OS, is the most important software that runs on a computer. It manages the computer's memory, processes, and all of its software and hardware. Without an operating system, a computer is useless. Here are some key points about operating system. First is resource management. The OS manages the computer's resources such as the CPU, memory, disk space, and peripheral devices. It allocates resources among different programs running on the computer. The second is the OS provider, the user interface. The OS provides the user interface that allows the users to interact with the computer. This can be a graphical user interface GUI or a command line interface CLI. The third is the file management. The OS manages files on the computer, including creating, deleting, and organizing files and directories. The sixth is the device drivers. The OS includes device drivers, which are software that allows the OS to communicate with the hardware devices such as printers, scanners, and the graphics card. The Linux. Linux is a free and open source operating system based on the Unix operating system. It is popular among developers and for use in any servers. Android, developed by Google. Android is a mobile operating system used on smartphones and tablets. The iOS, developed by Apple. iOS is the operating system used on the iPhones and the iPads. Each operating system has its own features and functions, but they all serve the same basic purpose of the managing computer resources and providing a platform for running software. This is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.